Welcome to another math problem of the week. Last 3 digit product of odd numbers. Let's talk about it. For today's problem, we are asked to find the last 3 digit of the product of the odd numbers starting from 1, 3, 5 up to 2023. And the options are A 375, B 625, C 875, and D 945. What do you think?
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
First of all, we will let n to be equal to this product. Since we want to find the last 3 digits of this product, and therefore this question is equivalent to find the number that is congruent to n mod 1000. And note that 1000 is equals to 8 times 125. So this is our plan. We need to find out what is the number that congruent to n mod 8 and what is the number that congruent to n mod 125. If we can get this, we should be able to get the answer. Now out of these two number 8 and 125, 125 is a lot more easier because 125 is 5 to the power 3. We see that n actually contain a 5, also contain a 15, and later on it contain a 25. So obviously it is a multiple of 125, therefore n is congruent to 0 mod 125. So with this we have first equation, n congruent to 0 mod 125. Next we note that 1, 3, 5, 7 is congruent to 1, 3, negative 3, and negative 1, which is congruent to 1 mod 8. So for n, we can take a block of 4 consecutive odd numbers. Each of the block is congruent to 1, and therefore we can say that n is 1, 3, 5, 7. Then this is 9, 11, 13, 15, and finally 2017, 2019, 2021, and 2023. Then this easy seen that this is 1 times 1 all the way 1, and it will be congruent to 1 mod 8, and therefore we have n is congruent to 1 mod 8. So recall that we have this result, n is congruent to 0 mod 125 and also n congruent to 1 mod 8. So we call it as first equation and second equation. From the first equation, we know that n is equal to 125 a for some integer a, and from 2, 125a is congruent to 1 mod 8. 125 itself is equal to 120 plus 5. 120 is divisible by 8, so this means that this is 5a congruent to 1. And after that, we multiply both sides by a 5. So from left hand side, it is equal to 25a, and this is congruent to a. And from the right hand side, it is equal to 5. So a is congruent to 5 mod 8. So now we're ready to get our answer. It's known that n equals to 125a. So n equals to 125a. But a itself is congruent to 5 mod 8, meaning that a itself is equal to 8b plus 5. And this means that this is 1000b plus 125 times 5, which is congruent to 125 times 5, that is 625 mod 1000. And therefore, the last 3 digits of n will be 625, and the answer is equals to B. And for now, let's look at other people's solution. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next Tuesday. Bye bye.